Let's take a look at this coupe here at Unique, especially in classics. It's a 1932 Chrysler CI 3-window coupe with a rumble seat. Not a lot of these made, from what I could come up with. A little over 2,900 is all in the rumble seat coupes in 1932 from Chrysler. And underneath the hood, it looks like an error correct inline 6 silver dome engine, 224 cubic inch. Inline 6. We're going to start it up at the end of the video. Check out underneath the hood, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath there. You'll be able to see it all in the still pictures too. As you can see, dual side mounts, beautiful chrome up front, from the horns to the headlight buckets, grille surround, bumper. Great looking front end of these cars. Still pictures, so you can check out underneath that hood, underside of the car, interior, rumble seat area, uniqueclassiccars.com. Clicking the link down below this video in the description is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a look at the center caps, beauty rings, and those wire wheels, as well as the side mounts. Has been a little touch up here in the paint. Very nice, original looking car. Previous owner said it is a base coat, clear coat paint that it was finished in. Take a look at the interior. Kind of a taupe cloth. Very stock looking dash in it. Take a look at those sun visors. And it does have rear window that does crank up and down. That is working, as you can see. We put it down partially so you can see that. Of course, the rumble seat area and the steps to get up in there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. A rack for a trunk on the rear of it. Of course, the fuel tank on the rear also. What a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. And the 32 Chryslers, like I said, you just don't see a lot of these. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Close to 100 pictures or more of this vehicle online. And again, you'll be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay. There's kind of a little, I'll explain it, but you can kind of see it there in the video. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Door panels look good, as you can see. Side windows go up and down fine. Doesn't look like really any rips, tears, holes in the fabric. All right, let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. All right, key here. Starters underneath the dash, of course, straight up here. That's all it takes to start it. Got a horn that works, amp meter, oil pressure. Let me know we're here to water temp. Looks like a gas gauge is even working. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that temp gauge to be up. Alright, these windows will open up out front too, so you get some ventilation coming through here, both sides. Door fits and closes very nicely. Slip around the back so you can hear it run. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. I want to get this side of the hood open, show you some things underneath there, and we're going to wrap up this video. Alright, so get the hood open. Still a 6-volt system, by the way. Then you can see down here there is a casting number, and back off of that there is a date. And like I said, error correct. Looks like 32 casting as far as the year on there. CI engine, which you can tell on the stamp up here. Called that a Silver Dome. Inline 6, 224 cubic inches. From everything I've been able to come up with on it. It's smooth running. Good looking engine bay. Like I said, this will really be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, and you just don't see them every day. 1932 Chrysler 3-window coupe rumble seat car, dual side mounts. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1932 Chrysler 3-window coupe. Very nice running car. Starts up easily, purrs right away. We have a 3-speed manual on the floor. Our oil pressure gauge is working well. It idles at about 30 psi. Amps are charging. They're showing 3/4 of the way up the gauge. Very smooth shift, very smooth idle running car. Speedometer may read a little high, but it does function. Water temperature showing 165. Fuel gauge showing 1/4. That's over on the far right. Oil pressure's here. Now oil pressure is a little over 40 as we're cruising down the road. Very smooth ride, smooth suspension, also a smooth cushioning seat. It's a bench seat in here. Not sure if you can see it, but very large, old school sun visors attached to the ceiling. Brakes are working well. Such a quiet running car. I imagine this is the stock sound. Great looking, huge bullet headlights. Letting go of the wheel, the car stays straight in the lane. Plenty of room in this car. I'm 6'1" and I fit very well. Extra headroom, lots of leg room. These front windows do open up for vents. And a very cool feature, the rear window will also go down with a turn of a crank. For more details and see all the pictures, head to uniqueclassiccars.com.